So today me and my boy decided to pop in at Delicious Curries, situated close to Ushaka Marine World on South Beach, Durban. I decided to let my boy do the heavy lifting on this one and review the lamb bunny, while I opted in for the chicken chow mein. Just a quick mention, they don't only do authentic Indian dishes, they also serve Chinese food too.
So I got stuck straight into the bunny, dipping a piece of bread into the sauce, and that's when it hit me. Those authentic, unmistakable aromas of cardamom, chili and masala were next level. This was a proper Durban Indian curry. Guru carried on with his woos chicken chow mein. Then I tried some of the homemade pickles and oh my word, that elevated the dish even further. I mixed it with some of the side relish to bring the heat down a bit, prepared a bite for Guru, and from his reaction you can see he definitely needed the woo sauce. I'd rate this lamb bunny from Delicious Curries a solid 8 out of 10. I also tried some of the chicken chow mein and I must say the dark, rich soya flavor left a really pleasant taste in my mouth and it helped soothe the curry nicely.
So if you're ever in Durban, make sure to pop in at Delicious Curries, South Beach. Authentic Indian and Chinese flavors, proper Durban vibes, and well worth the visit.